exciting innovation in wearable technology, which is smart glasses. Smart glasses are wearable devices that look like just regular glasses but are equipped with advanced technology such as displays, sensors, cameras, connectivity features. These glasses allow users access information, capture images, videos, and interact with other surroundings in their intelligent ways. Smart glasses are used for many purposes, as we can see, including augmented reality, which is AR, visual reality, which is VR, health monitoring, communication, and entertainment. They can connect with smartphones and other devices for making daily interaction for many convenient and hands-free innovations. Some key features of these smart glasses include as advanced display technology, high precision sensors, seamless connectivity, built-in cameras, and voice assistants that make this multitasking easier. Overall, we can say smart glasses represent the perfect blend of technology and wearables, which giving users a unique and interactive way to connect with information and the environment. And from the next slide, we can see that the component which are used, mainly Arduino board, display module, Bluetooth module, speaker, power source, switches, AI module, etc., to make it more convenient and usable.
Now I am going to discuss about circuit diagram. Using the components, we can make this circuit diagram which is used in the smart glass. This circuit diagram will help us to make the smart glass and the functions properly. Next, program code. Here we have used a Python program to make the smart glass. We imported here Tinter, time, request, Pygame, web browser, PyTT, speech recognition as module. This module will help us to uh, create the functions of smart glasses. Next, Shonchita, over to you.
Uh, in this slide, uh, in this slide, we can see the output of the code as shown in the earlier slide. Here, the smart glass responds to voice commands. When we give commands like play video, make call, check health, or play music, the system recognizes the spoken words and performs the current action. For example, when we say play video, the video automatically starts playing. If we say check health, it shows health related information from connected sensor or device. Similarly, we can make calls, play music, or check the time, all those simple voice control. This makes smart glass a hands-free and smart assistant for everyday life. Then next, in conclusion, smart glass is a big step forward in wearable technology. It helps in communication, entertainment, health monitoring, and augmented reality. With the innovative design and interactive features, smart glass has the potential to change how we use technology every day. Thank you, sir.
So this is our code.
Okay, run.
So here 5 options: phone, video, health, music, voice.
Okay.
If I click to phone, then I can make calls. Then if I click to video, video will be played.
Okay. Okay. So very good.
Our project is titled Python AI Chatbot. This chatbot is built using TensorFlow and TfLarn, two powerful libraries for machine learning. The main goal of this project is to create an AI chatbot that can understand user inputs and respond intelligently. We started by processing data from a JSON file, creating a bag of words model, and then the constructing a neural network to train the chatbot. Finally, we use the trained model to generate accurate response based on the detected intent. Now, Slide 2, slide number 2. Okay. TensorFlow is a widely used framework for natural language processing or NLP. It provides tools and libraries that helps in working with text data efficiently. Some of the main NLP tasks done with TensorFlow include chatbots and virtual assistants, text generation, text classifications, and sentiment analysis, machine translation, and named entity recognition.
In our project, we use TensorFlow mainly for text preprocessing, which includes steps like tokenization, lowercasing, and padding, all of which help the chatbot understand language better. Next slide. Now let's look at how the chatbot usually works. The chatbot uses a combination of natural language processing, machine learning, and large language model to understand and generate responses. When a user types a question, the chatbot processes the text, identifies and retrieves the most suitable response from its knowledge base. The flow involves language parsing, data storage, and response generation, which all work together to make the conversion feel more natural and humanized. So, in simple words, it listens, understands, and replies just like a real assistant.
Slide is about the chatbot. On this slide, we have an overview of the chatbot developed using Hugging Face, a platform widely used for accessing and sharing machine learning models and datasets. Our chatbot consists of three key files that include all the commands and requirements necessary for the function. It features a user-friendly interface built with Gradio, which allows smooth and interactive communication between the user and the chatbot. We have also ensured secure API communication by authenticating all external API interactions using API keys, which helps maintain data privacy and security. To further protect sensitive information, all API keys are stored safely within a virtual environment file or .env. So we come to the conclusion of our project, which demonstrates how TensorFlow provides a solid foundation for building, training, and deploying natural language processing models that enable the chatbot to understand and respond intelligently to user input. This work shows how AI-driven chatbots can be applied across multiple domains such as customer support, education, healthcare, and e-commerce to improve user experience and reduce human workload. Overall, it highlights the power of combining AI and user-friendly design to make communication more efficient and meaningful. Thank you, sir.
This project focuses on detecting and counting people automatically using computer vision and deep learning. First slide, the challenge why counting people matters. Counting people accurately is very important in today's world. It helps in enhancing safety and security in public space and events, optimizing resource allocation in areas like retail and city planning, and analyzing crowd dynamics to prevent congestion and emergencies. In short, it supports better management and smarter urban systems. And next slide is the our approach. Overview of solutions. Our approach is simple but effective. First, we take an input image and video frame. Then, using a deep learning model called TLOV8, the system detects humans and draws bounding boxes surrounding them. Finally, it counting the numbers of detected people and display the output visually. The process is automated and works in real time. Next slide is a data collection and preparation. Training our model. The foundation of accuracy to train the model properly. We collected a diverse set of image with different lighting, crowd sizing, and camera angles. Every person in the dataset was manually labeled with bounding boxes For accuracy, we also must data aggregation like rotation, brightness, and scaling to improve robustness and prevent overfitting. And next slide is the evaluate the brain behind the count. The core of our system is CLV8, a state-of-the-art deep learning model. It offers real-time speed, superior accuracy, and easy Python integration using libraries like Python, PyTorch, and OpenCV. YOLO V8 can detect and count human in a single forward pass, making it first accurate and readable. So overall, this project, and next slide is my friend Akastas.
In this slide, we will see how we developed and improved our model to make it smarter. First, we started with written cocoa weights. These weights already know the basic shapes and features of common objects, so our model did not have to learn everything from the beginning. Then we fine-tuned the model using our own custom dataset, images that focus mainly on humans in different conditions like different writing, poses, and backgrounds, etc. After that, we adjusted a few hyperparameters such as the learning rate, batch size, etc. to make the model learn better and reduce errors. During training, we also performed regular validation. That means we tested the model on new image after every few rounds to make sure it was not memorizing the data and could work well on new situations. With all these steps, our model become more accurate, faster, and better at detecting people correctly in different environments. We are talking about how accurate our model is and also some of its limitations. Let's start with the strengths. Our model gives a high accuracy of about 92%, especially when the image is clear and well lit. It works very fast, which means it can be used for real-time video feeds like CCTV or live camera monitoring. The model is also good at finding people who are partly hidden, for example, behind furniture or other objects. Another strength is that it performs well in different backgrounds, both indoor and outdoor. Now coming to the challenges. The model's performance reduces when there are very dense crowds because people overlap and it becomes hard to detect each people separately. It also finds it difficult to detect people seen from side angles or when someone is only half visible in the frame. Sometimes it can even mistake human-like objects like uh, statue like human. If the model has not been trained on such example, then this problem can occur. And finally, bad lighting conditions like glare, shadows, or dim light can cause small detection errors. Even though these challenges exist, our main focus is on improving the model further. We are especially working on handling low light situations and crowded areas so that our system becomes more reliable and accurate in all environments. And finally, let's discuss what's next for Project Versus. We plan to integrate depth sensing technology like stereo cameras to enhance accuracy in 3D or heavily crowded spaces. We are also developing tracking capabilities so that individuals can be followed over time across frames. Another goal is to optimize the model for edge devices such as Raspberry Pi to enable local real-time processing without heavy hardware. And lastly, we aim to create live density maps that displays heat overlays, helping security teams or event organizers understand crowd concentration instantly. Next slide. So overall, this project shows how deep learning and Python can be used for real-time human detection and counting, a technology that can make public spaces safer and more efficient. Now, I would like to show a short video demonstration of our project.
Uh, there's 16 people is there is analysis the 16 people posting together in a group photo on a cricket field, all wearing cricket team uniforms. Some were standing while others are hitting in the front. They are smiling and appears to be celebrating with trophies placed in the same analysis. This photo, this is seven Avengers photo. There are seven people in the image, all in superior costumes, standing in dynamic poses in a city, sitting with destruction in the background. They appear to the characters from a superhero team.
Very good.
AI-driven public health chatbot for disease awareness. Our goal is simple but powerful to bridge the gap between rural and semi-urban populations and verified health information, making preventive healthcare more accessible and understandable. Here we are discussing about the basic ideas behind our project. We know that in rural and semi-urban areas, people face limited access to verified health informations, low preventive care awareness, and a digital division that makes health portals and apps difficult to use. This leads to late diagnosis, unnecessary hospital visits, and increased costs for both patients and healthcare systems. Our solution is a multilingual AI-driven health chatbot available on WhatsApp, SMS, and IVR or interactive voice response. It supports voice and text, provides an AI-powered symptom checker, sends vaccination and health reminders, and integrates with government health database to deliver real-time outbreak alerts. The chatbot is offline friendly, secure, and scalable, making it easy for even remote users to access trusted health guidance. The expected outcomes are very significant. Those are 20% rise in preventive health awareness, 80% accuracy in health query responses, faster outbreak response, and better public health preparedness. Required healthcare costs through early detection, greater digital inclusion for rural communities. In short, our solution makes healthcare accessible, accurate, and proactive for everyone regardless of their location and literacy level. Here we also show a flowchart which indicates the framework of our project, and we also showing the outcomes of our solution.
So I will be talking about the technical approach of our project. So our project is an AI-driven public health chatbot that helps people get real-time health updates and vaccine info in multiple languages. We built the backend using Python, Flask, or Django and connected it with WhatsApp Business SMS and Health APIs for secure communication. Our AI model trained with TensorFlow or PyTorch understands the user questions and replies smartly. Even in different languages using transformers or Google Translate API, we can understand the user's questions and reply. For storage, we used MongoDB and PostgreSQL with Redis for superfast responses. Messaging happens mainly on WhatsApp, and everything runs securely on AWS or Azure with proper encryption and monitoring. In short, our chatbot combines AI, data, and multilingual support to make public health info easy, quick, and reliable for everyone. Thank you. I will be showing the demo at the last of our presentation.
In this slide, we discuss about the feasibility and viability analysis of this health-related AI chatbot, focusing on three main aspects: economic, operational, and technical feasibility. Economically, the project can be supported through premium health insights, partnerships with hospitals, and sponsored awareness campaigns. From an operational perspective, it has high user adoption potential since people already use platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram, and it can also support regional languages, voice, and SMS for quick accessibility. Technically, modern AI models such as ChatGPT can manage multilingual voice or text interactions, while data from trusted sources like WHO and national health portals ensures accuracy and reliability.
Now I will discuss about the potential challenges and strategies to overcome. Like any other digital healthcare app, our app also have some potential challenges. The challenges are content accuracy and reliability. The people does not fully rely on the data in the internet. They, especially in the medical field, there are many rumors about many things, so people are does not rely on many datas. The next thing is user trust and adoption. Some user may distrust the AI generated advices, so it is a big challenge for us. The next thing is language and cultural barriers. Translating the medical terms accurately in many languages is a very difficult task for us. And the next thing is cyber security risks. Health data leaks and misinformations can harm credibility. The strategies to overcome these challenges are: we will collaborate with government, health authorities, and NGOs for credibility, and we will implement end-to-end encryption for all sensitive data, and we will maintain a crisis protocol to autocorrect the misinformation and combine the AI automation with human medical oversight for trust and accuracy. In summary, our project is not only technically and economically viable but also operationally scalable and socially impactful.
Okay, so this is the slide of impact and benefits. So our AI chatbot project focuses on improving healthcare accessibility and efficiency. Before the chatbot, there were issues like long waiting times, high cost, limited rural access, and misinformation. But after implementation, users get instant health guidance, affordable and scalable services, and trusted information available 24 into 7. The main key benefits are the social benefits are better healthcare access, patient empowerment, mental health support. Economic benefits are early disease detection, lower cost, and promotes healthy living. And there are other benefits like data for outbreak prediction and stronger public health campaigns. Overall, this project is reliable, multilingual health assistant that saves time, reduces misinformation, improves rural outreach, and cuts unnecessary hospital visits.
Here we are discussing about research and references. The research focuses on developing a hybrid chatbot, both rule-based and AI-based, for healthcare that integrates symptom checking, multilingual access, and voice text support. It uses verified data from WHO, CDC, and PubMed with continuous updates through feedback monitoring. The knowledge base includes structured details on diseases, symptoms, and treatments. References include WHO, Shasthya Shambad, and Odisha's Health Department. Statistical analysis in Odisha shows high cases of malaria, tuberculosis, and sickle cell disease, with significant yearly variations and occasional outbreaks like diarrhea. The system aims to enhance disease awareness and digital health accessibility across regional languages.
So at the end of our presentation, I would like to show the demo of our website that we have created. So this is the website that we have created. This is a health chatbot, mainly focuses on a health chatbot. This is the health chatbot. Here you can search in any topic health related that will immediately responds to your concern. And in our chatbot, the main benefits are it is multilingual, so we can change the language of our chatbot like this. And there are so many languages, and we are mainly focusing on Odia because this is Odi. This is for the region of Odia, and then we have the dashboard section where the blood pressure, heart rate, weights, likes, the all the details of a patients are monitored continuously for detailed health statistics. And in the dashboard section, we have also included the upcoming appointments for the appointments that the patient is going to take and the current medications, like how many tablets are left. This also shows here. And for there is also a doctor's tab where you can also search for the doctors available in your locality, or you can also visit them for online. And the fees are also provided over here, and the supported languages and the type of doctor that you are searching for. We have also the filter option by which we can also search the doctors in their type, and we can also sort them according to their locations. In the medicines tab, we have included a online medicine delivery type of application where you can search your medicines that you are going to take, and you can also order it from directly here. And lastly, in the checkup section, we have the like health test. We can also book from here. You can also book the health test Like you can also see what for the test is and which are the things that are included in this test. We can also book from here. Lastly, this is an application that concludes the most health part of an like total health assistant, your total health assistant, AI powered multilingual health assistant for personalized healthcare guidance, doctor consultations, and medicine delivery across India. That is all.
Very good. Thank you, everybody. The
TADVA hydrogen predictor. Here, TADVA means hydrogen, and so sir, the next page I am going to introduce about our project. So our PCA2 project is about a hydrogen production simulator. What it does is that it takes parameters such as solar capacity, wind capacity, water source, etc. And it has a AI model that calculates various results using it, such as the amount of hydrogen produced or the amount of water produced or how much carbon dioxide is avoided, etc. and etc. So along with a graphical representation of results, it gives us the outputs. And these results can also be exported using a tool that we have created. It can be exported as PDF. And moreover, we have added a chatbot that will help the users to navigate the site. So here we have some screenshots. This shows how our project works. Here we enter the parameters. Here solar capacity, wind capacity, electrolyzer efficiency percentage, operation mode, water source, and then we click simulate hydrogen production. And here on the right side, it shows the results that the model predicts, and then it displays like this. So in the next slide, here are some key features in our project. The first one is smart hydrogen simulation. As I told earlier, this calculates hydrogen production, water usage, cost using the cost using inputs like solar MW and wind MW and electrolyzer efficiency. Then it helps us to visualize the thing. Uh, and then we have implemented AI and big data in our project to predict the amount of hydrogen required. And then our project is user friendly as it helps reduce the inefficiencies in production. And then here we have some use cases for our project. Here, as you can see, we have academic research. Students and researchers can use our project to simulate hydrogen production in various scenarios. We can use it for energy planning and to analyze the feasibility of a certain project. We can use it for environmental impact studies to compare levels between green and conventional hydrogen production. And then here are some references for the information we have gathered. So here is the home page, and here we have to click get started. Then it takes us to the model predictor screen, and here we enter the various parameters. Like here we are entering solar capacity, wind capacity, electrolyzer efficiency percentage, and next we are specifying the from the top drop down menu the operation mode, water source. Now when we click the simulate hydrogen production button, the model predicts the amount of hydrogen and displays it like this. It also shows us a graph, and here it also recommends us the type of storage we need for this. It predicts the cost and water used, CO2 that can be avoided per day. And at the bottom, you can see there is an export button, and this will help us to export it in a form of PDF. We can save it on our computer. Here it is. Then we have about section on our page, on our project's web page. Here it talks about what this project is and how it works. Here are some infographics about hydrogen energy. At the bottom, we have our vision, why we have created this project and how why it's important for the world. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Ruprekha Nazneen Choudhury. Along with my teammate Rohan Manna and Rupsha Moitro, I would like to present our PCA2 PPT. Getting into the PPT. For our PCA2 project, we have prepared a fake news detecting system using ML and NPL. Our project, Fake News Detecting System using Artificial Intelligence, aims to address the moral responsibility by using technology to protect truth and integrity. In today's world, truth verification plays a vital role in fields like law, enforcement, security, psychology, and even corporate interviews. In digital age, information spreads faster than ever, but so does fake news. Misinformation shared on social media and online platforms can influence public opinion, cause panic, and even manipulate elections. Our project, Fake News Detecting System using Artificial Intelligence, aims to address the moral responsibility by using technology to protect truth and integrity. Rather than replacing human judgment, this system supports it by promoting accountability, transparency, and ethical information sharing. Through this initiative, we hope to highlight how AI can be used responsibly not just to analyze data, but to safeguard honesty, social harmony, and public's right to truth in the digital world.
Here it is the key technologies I have used in this project. First of all, Python. It is a foundational programming language used for development and scripting. Next, we have used Pandas and NumPy. It is basically a Python libraries used for efficient data manipulations, analysis, and numerical operations. Next, we have used term color. It basically adds colored output in the terminal. Next, we have used TensorFlow. It is a Python framework and it is used for building and training complex and deep learning models. Next, we have used Transformer. It basically provides pre-trained NLP models used to summarize the news and generate short and meaningful explanation. Next, we have used Pickle. Pickle, it is a Python module used for serializing, deserializing Python object and structures. So it is our code. On the left side of the screen, it is model training script. On the right side, we have showed the prediction and application script. So by running this output, so by running this code, we will get this output. So here we have to enter the input news like for example, I have entered here like there are aliens in the world. So our project will give prediction based on that news. Like here it is given, it is a fake news. Next, it gives the confidence level it has. Next, it gives the short summary of the news. Since it's a short news, so nothing. Next, it is a reason part. Reason part is not explained here because I have not used APIs here. In future, I will use APIs, so it will get much better. Next, it shows the process time it has taken. So it is the second example. Like here, I have entered coffee is injurious to health, and it has given its prediction. It is a fake news. Its confidence level, short summary, and reason, and how much time it has taken for processing. So this is all our for project. Thank you for listening to us.
Very good.
Good evening, sir. I am Ruprekha Nazneen Choudhury. Along with my teammate Rohan Manna and Rupsha Moitro, I would like to present our PCA2 PPT. Getting into the PPT. For our PCA2 project, we have prepared a fake news detecting system using ML and NPL. Our project, Fake News Detecting System using Artificial Intelligence, aims to address the moral responsibility by using technology to protect truth and integrity. In today's world, truth verification plays a vital role in fields like law, enforcement, security, psychology, and even corporate interviews. In digital age, information spreads faster than ever, but so does fake news. Misinformation shared on social media and online platforms can influence public opinion, cause panic, and even manipulate elections. Our project, Fake News Detecting System using artificial intelligence, aims to address the moral responsibility by using technology to protect truth and integrity. Rather than replacing human judgment, this system supports it by promoting accountability, transparency, and ethical information sharing. Through this initiative, we hope to highlight how AI can be used responsibly not just to analyze data, but to safeguard honesty, social harmony, and public's right to truth in the digital world.
Here it is the key technologies I have used in this project. First of all, Python. It is a foundational programming language used for development and scripting. Next, we have used Pandas and NumPy. It is basically a Python libraries used for efficient data manipulations, analysis, and numerical operations. Next, we have used term color. It basically adds colored output in the terminal. Next, we have used TensorFlow. It is a Python framework and it is used for building and training complex and deep learning models. Next, we have used Transformer. It basically provides pre-trained NLP models used to summarize the news and generate short and meaningful explanation. Next, we have used Pickle. Pickle, it is a Python module used for serializing, deserializing Python object and structures. So it is our code. On the left side of the screen, it is model training script. On the right side, we have showed the prediction and application script. So by running this output, so by running this code, we will get this output. So here we have to enter the input news like for example, I have entered here like there are aliens in the world. So our project will give prediction based on that news. Like here it is given, it is a fake news. Next, it gives the confidence level it has. Next, it gives the short summary of the news. Since it's a short news, so nothing. Next, it is a reason part. Reason part is not explained here because I have not used APIs here. In future, I will use APIs, so it will get much better. Next, it shows the process time it has taken. So it is the second example. Like here, I have entered coffee is injurious to health, and it has given its prediction. It is a fake news, its confidence level, short summary, and reason, and how much time it has taken for processing. So this is all our for project. Thank you for listening to us.
Very good.
Sir, so this was our project. Sir, this is our means we choose this project title from our SIH. Uh, so this is what AI-powered mobile platform for democratizing sports talent assessment. So basically, this why we chose this title idea is because we noticed that in India like most of the athletes they don't get their recognition. Mainly I say the recognition they need to reach higher levels like Olympics and all, uh, because other countries like our neighboring countries China, they are so much far beyond us in these sports and we are so lag behind. So we chose this idea to allow our athletes to give them a platform so that where so that they can showcase their talent. And so this is our app where we use a smartphone based app where they can get their AI powered access so that they can check so that they can get their own mentor in their own hand, in their own pockets, and can check that if they are doing their things correctly or not, how can they choose their plan so that they can get to their goals. And this is our all this is how our project is. This is our technical approach. We use this Flutter framework, and we mainly did this for mobile apps, for so that athletes can download them in their mobile smartphones. And this is our idea workflow. So I will explain this when I will just demonstrate the our prototype that we made. That will be more clear and more visible. And then this is our idea feasibility, where we worked on how we can make this work in low bandwidth, and so on. And the viability, like large user model, low cost revenue, so that we can get our revenue as well as we can provide maximum support to the athletes at a very low cost. And the impacts and benefits are as mentioned here. Uh, and this is the research and references. Sir, so this is our app, Pragati. We named it Pragati, which is Sanskrit means progress. So first, a new user obviously have to log in. So let's just give my email ID, and I have to give a password. Let's just give any password. And as we do the login, we are navigate to this page where we have to create our profile. So I can just pick any username. I can pick, like, let's pick my name. Let's just pick any date of birth for now. The age gets automatically taken, and I can take mail. Let's just take a short mail for just demonstration. And here I get to choose some of the optional information that I can provide. I can select my favorite sport. Let's just pick badminton. It's my favorite sport. I can give my height or may not. So just I'm leaving this and can save my profile. So here is the home screen of our app. These are the means when we created the app at that time, these were some of the latest news that about our Indian athletes and their achievement. We have not updated it right now, but it was at that time. First, I will come to this bottom navigation buttons. So this button exactly navigates us to our profile that we just created. We just all the informations that we have put, and I can choose my account to be public or private. Now I can do this because here we have also a social menu where others can, like you can see here, Arjun Sharma, person, have just have posted something that he feels should come in light. So he posted this. I can also post something, and I can also like their post. People, if can see my post and can like me, they can also visit my profile and can see what are my achievements and what they are doing. And coming to this part, here I get all the games that I have chosen. Like I chose badminton while creating my profile. I can also add games. I can add games from this select sports, where I already chose badminton. I can also choose boxing, cycling, anything, and it will get displayed here. And when I let's just click one of this button, and when I click in this button, I get navigated to badminton hub, where I get to see all the exercise for badminton, for a daily badminton athlete requirement exercises. I can see like forward lunges. uh, Here is a video demonstration of the exercise with its description about the exercise. This shuttle run, like it improves agility and speed and so on. So are all these exercises. And then we have some daily task, just to keep engaged our users and make them make them in a sporty way to in a competitive way with others. As you can see, there is a leaderboard. Let's say I have completed all this, and as I complete all this, I get to climb up in the leaderboard. And same goes with weekly challenges also. As I complete every task, I get to climb up in the leaderboard. And at the bottom, we see a button, Learn with Trainer. So basically, what happens is we can just choose our trainer. We can get to choose our trainer with a subscription. As we can see, this is Vikram Rathore. We can see his description of what he mainly coaches, what he mainly trains, and also the ratings about them. These are all the trainers that are in the and in badminton that uh, takes this subscription amount and give training. And coming back to home screen, we also have this in this quick actions, we have this challenge a friend where I can add a friend. First, I have to add a friend and I can challenge him anyway. Let's just pick any friend like I Rohan Patel is someone who is using our app. These are just prototypes. I use them. When it will be running, it will be a very functional way to get these things. I can add I have added Rohan Patel as my friend, and I can challenge Rohan Patel in this following, or I can create a custom one. Let's just pick this one, and as I send this challenge, he will get a notification, and we can do that badminton duel anytime. We have exam support, and this check with AI. This is our main thing of our app, where let's just jump to the button and see what it can do. So here what happens is we can pick a video from our folder and mention the exercise. Let's say it's pull up, and we have to pick a video from our device. Here is a video of me doing pull up. So I just select this pull up video, and I can get an AI analyzed version, AI analyzed feedback of how accurately I am doing this pull up. Now, just for pull up, we just in this prototype we used for pull up. It will take some time and it will display. And later we will keep adding more and more things, more and more exercises that can, like for in cricket, let's say in cricket, how to take a defense stance and so on. So this is what AI gave. It gave me a score of 7, accuracy rate and all these things. So sir, this is our app.
Very good try.
Our project is Real-Time Age, Gender and Emotion Detector. With the rapid growth of artificial intelligence and deep learning, the computers are now capable of recognizing and understanding the human faces and emotions. Our project, the Real-Time Age, Gender and Emotion Detection System, is an innovative application that uses the computer vision and deep learning to automatically identify a person's age, range, gender, and emotional state from a live video stream. Our project aims to create an intelligent system that captures the real-time images from a webcam, detects our faces, and classifies them using trained models. This system uses the Python along with libraries such as OpenCV for face detection and DeepFace for deep learning based classification. Once a face is detected, the model predicts the attributes like age, gender, and emotion, such as happy, sad, angry, or surprised, whatsoever, and displays them instantly on the video feed. This project demonstrates how AI can interpret human characteristics and emotions similar to the way humans do. It has wide-ranging applications in fields such as security, healthcare, marketing, education, and human-computer interaction. By combining our project, that means real-time computer vision and deep learning, our project provides the interactive system that enhances human-computer communication. It also helps learners to understand the practical use of technologies like convolutional neural networks and real-time image processing in Python language.
So sir, this is our code, and from we have included the NumPy or the OpenCV and the TensorFlow Keras model, and we have also included some models for the detection of the, the emotion, age, and the genders. And now I will just run the code, and I will take some sample images and show how the code works. So for example, I am showing this picture of a girl, and the emotion is detected to be happy, the gender is shown female, and the age is somewhere in between 25 to 32. And our project is accordingly showing a message, hey female, you look happy today. For the next case, we can show a picture of a kid, and accordingly our model is showing the age is somewhere between 0 to 2, gender is male, and the emotion is sad. And also it is showing a message that cheer up, everything will be okay, for the emotion sad. Next we have another image. This one is of a man of age of somewhere between 25 to 32, and gender is male, and the emotion is sad, and it is showing the same message for the emotion sad. Next we have this image where the emotion is detected to be angry, and the age is somewhere in between 25 to 32, and the gender is male. So that was all about our project, sir.
Very good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Very good project.
Presenting my slides. So this is a smart home environment intelligence system, or SHEIS as we have named it. This is a simulation of adaptive control for all things smart home related. And we are using 3 core technologies. We are using Arduino for hardware level applications. We have Python, and we have some machine learning algorithms. So I am the team leader of this project, and Shayok, Shagor, and Shagnik Roy have helped me. Shagor is the IoT expert. He has done all the wiring and the hardware level stuff for this. Shayok is responsible for the designing as well as this PPT. And Shagnik has created the ML algorithm, which is powering the software, and it is taking real-time data from the Arduino components and powering the model that we have trained. So I'm going to give you the objective. The objective is to simulate a smart home environment intelligence system, as we have said earlier. But now the thing is, when we're talking about a smart home, we usually just move on to objects like smart lights, smart fans. If the room is, say, not illuminated much, then the smart lights brightness increases, or if the room is not too cold enough, then the smart fan runs faster. But we wanted to take this to the next level. We wanted to incorporate ML in order to realize exactly what the user needs. So it's just not just like if the room is hot, then make it cold, or if the room is dark, then make it bright. No, we are using real actuators and virtual actuators as well in our web UI to give a simulation to the user what it will look like. So here we have used some Arduino components. The wiring diagrams have been given here. We have used LDR photoresistors, we have used thermistors, and we have used LEDs to simulate the lights and fans, because right now it is not possible to get a real life smart fan or a smart light. So this is the wiring overview. These are the pin connections to the Arduino, and this is the system architecture. We are using Flask and Socket IO to create a web UI, which we'll come to. Next, we have the Arduino functionality. This is the code, the serial that is being actually sent as a JSON file for Python and the ML to access. And finally, we go to here, which is the Python module. So here, sir, as you can see, there are 4 main Python files. First off, we have the serial controller, that is actually the serial bridge, the gap that forms between Arduino's low-level hardware and Python's high-level language, that is being bridged by serial controller. And this train the ML model.py. This has been made by Shagnik Roy. He used the random forest algorithm to train this model. And the training data is actually being generated by another file to keep it lightweight. And this app threading is the main file. So this is the random forest model. It actually controls the fan speeds and also the buzzers and any, say, your AC supply, so that it can, I mean, give you the entire thing collaborated for you only. So whatever you feel like, it's going to analyze what you feel like inside the room and then change the condition of the AC or the fan accordingly. It is all stored in a CSV file, and it continuously monitors itself in real time. We also have this dashboard, which is currently not live, but as we have the real life appliances like the real life smart bulbs, real life smart fans, etc., then we can also ship this, and accordingly we can monitor it using this web interface. The result of this project is that the system successfully reads environmental conditions, and it also gives real-time feedback. And ML model can actually predict what you want after a short period of training. And the hardware LEDs and buzzers are there; those can act as error lights in case anything goes wrong. And the Arduino's Atmega 32 chip is quite powerful to detect any errors, so it is perfectly safe even for small households. And finally, this is our conclusion. They demonstrates the entire integration of hardware, software along with machine learning, and it includes simple, inexpensive components, so any house can afford it. And if you just have a simple smartphone also, then you can install the web UI and you can use it. And it is perfect as a research project or a IoT project, even as a CS student. So that would be it, sir. Thank you.
Very good.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So first, good evening, sir. My name is Saranno Kundu, and today I will be talking about my project that is an AI chatbot. At the beginning, I want to say that here my group members are I, Mind Saranno Kundu, Deepak Saw, Kausik Sarkar, and Dhrubotara Mandal, that work together to design and develop a chatbot that can communicate with user in a natural process. The purpose of my chatbot is to make communication between humans and computers easier and faster. It can answer questions, give information, and even hold simple conversation, just like talking to a real person. My chatbot is designed to simulate real conversation using natural language process, that is NLP. I built it using Python, integrating libraries like transformers and Flask, and I also used OpenAPI key that features are it can chat anytime 24 by 7. It learns from past conversation to improve its answer. And here, sir, I give my project overview. That is, the project is an AI chatbot developed using Python and the Hugging Face Transformer library. The chatbot interact with user in real time through the terminal. And also, I give working and features. That working is the chatbot use the transformer pipeline from Hugging Face for next generation for text generation. When a user's input, it passes the text to digit GPT-2 model. The chatbot then displays a human-like response in the terminal. And here is my future features. That is AI powered uses a pre-trained GPT to model for a natural replies Python based simple and efficient terminal chatbot. So at the last, I want to say that this project helped me understand how AI can make our daily tasks simple and more efficient. Thank you, sir. Sir, this is my code for AI chatbot, and I run this code. It gives this type of answers.
Okay,